Hey guys, in the following video I'm going to quickly show you how to complete your simple installation form. So to do so, you'll first want to go to your emails and look out for the email from Flothemes Setups, and in here we give you a link to complete your form. Once you've clicked the link, you'll then be navigated to your page here, and with that you're able to get started. So we have two sections, the technical and the structural section, and we also have an option to save and continue later if you need some time to complete the form. Completing the form itself is relatively simple, so the first thing we will need is your WordPress login details. That is if you have a current WordPress site. If that is the case, please provide those details. If not, just add not applicable, or just add anything in here, but just make sure not to leave it blank. You will then also want to provide us with your hosting provider login details. Again, if you've just signed up for hosting, provide us with those details. We'll install WordPress for you. If you haven't, you can check out our recommended hosting providers here, and just click that link, flothemes.com/hosting, and you can choose a provider and then come back and submit those details. So that will be the login details for your control panel. You will then also want to provide us with Google Analytics. Again, this is something, if you haven't signed up for, we do recommend doing so. It is pretty useful for your site. You can also include your order number and the purchase email as well. Then you'll want to click next, either down here at the bottom on the right or up the top, and you can provide us with details about how you would like your site to look. Now, if that is a specific demo, for example, maybe you've chosen Crowd and you want to have Crowd 1 demo, for example, or maybe you liked Crowd Dark or one of the other options, please provide us with those details. So you can say, yes, I'd like it to look like this demo. Great. If you have any specific layout options that you would like for your site to get it initially set up, then please provide us with those details here as well. So whether that is you only want to have a specific homepage, blog page, etc., just provide us with those details. And again, you can also let us know the sitemap. So that will be the details that will be in the menu, whether that is homepage, galleries, blog, etc. We can set that up for you if required. If not, you can just say install demo, and we will just install the demo. Once you get the demo sent over to you, then you will be able to just delete any pages you don't need and adjust that as required. So once this form is submitted, it's generally 48 hours to get things completed for you, not including weekends and holidays. But just get it sent over as soon as you can, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your setup guru, and they'll be able to give you any advice you need. Thanks.